Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set North America 8 by 10 paper size in Excel. So first you need to click on page layout. Now click on size. Now scroll down at the last. You can find here this North America 8 by 10. So just click on it to select this or set this. If you not find here this option, so click on more paper size. Paper size you can click on here this paper size and select at the last, and here you see this North America 8 by 10 this option. Just click on it and click on OK. So this very easy and simple way to set this paper size. So thanks for watching this video.